Halor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association haka jingalang bat ka MSRLS haka tayo ka baladem kala hiar syamairang ban pelong ya ka program pensutho patba halor ki reusable sanitary napkin ya ki balatip kum ki fresh pad baraka jo upor ban ai ka jinghikai ya ki dekhot jong ki khatwaitli ki CLF bakin sedang ya ka kamai da ka bade ya ki fresh pad kum ka jingarap ya ki CLF bakin sedang ya ka business ka association kala IA marchi ki fresh pad ya kawai pakawai ka CLF bat haka shi sunduk ki don kumban reus pa sau poteli ki fresh pad shushu ka association kan ai khusnam ru ya ki CLF ki bala bande bha bat ki khusnam ki kenthup nado ki scooty bat ki wei ki mar kat kum ka jing batai ki nong tre ka Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association la ong bakini ki fresh pad ki dai ki bala man Pyndonkam Haduh Snem bat ikini ki fresh pad lashna hapo ka jala Meghalaya ki noilam jong ki CLF ki layathu ba ka ji kai ka bakilayo na ka Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association hakni ngi ka ajing mento shisha ki kumno ban Pyndonkam ya ki fresh pad bat kumno kini ki fresh pad ki long ki basngan ban Pyndonkam na ka banta ki Kynthei bat ka juk por ki layo ru ka ji kai kumno ban sedang ya ka business.
This box has a pouch of 4 pieces of fresh pads. We have 4 equal sizes of fresh pads in each pad, and it is sufficient for a woman to use during her monthly phase of menstruation. Every 2 years she has this. Yes, we can take out the layer. It can be washed and reused. Again, when we finish to dry, we can insert this and reuse this for our small children. Now, regarding the program why we are here, about 1,000 boxes of fresh pads. You get a smartphone. When you sell about 2,000 boxes, you get a smart TV. 3,000 boxes TV plus a microwave. 4,000 TV plus phone. 5,000 you have TV plus fridge. 6,000 you have TV plus washing machine. And then 7,000 you have TV, fridge, mixer. 8,000 you have large LED TV plus appliances. 9,000 we have premium home appliances package. And 10,000 pads would include your scooty. If you we will be happy to come. You all are approved to sell these fresh pads, and now you are named the product, how much boxes. So please, you can stand up. Okay.
We are from Shubham Charitable Association. So we are in collaboration with MSRLS and Operation Cleanup and Martin Luther University here. So we are here to, as we have been working for reusable sanitary napkins with their production and the usage, we are here to promote the CLFs and give them a zero risk business regarding the fresh pads. The first carton where 60 boxes of fresh pads are there. So their first carton is for free, which they are getting to as a startup for their business. After they are done with the 60 boxes, they can get the second box, the second carton from us at a minimal cost, and they can start up with their business and promote the using of reusable sanitary napkins instead of girls using the disposable ones or the regular cloth which they have been using. And these sanitary pads are 3 years valid. They can be used for up to 3 years. To make the business more interesting, we are giving them offers like if they sell off 500 boxes, they get a mixer grinder, followed by 1000 boxes, they get a smartphone, then 2000 boxes, they get a smart TV, or the price list is followed, and with the grand prize of 10,000 boxes, they get a scooty free. So that is how we encourage the girls, the CLFs, to come forward and start up with their business. These sanitary pads, fresh pads, cloth pads was initiated by Shubham, and it has been made by the local women here of Meghalaya. We have a production center here in Khatar Shnong, Lightkro, which had been inaugurated by our CM of East Khasi Hills district. It is a nice initiative. We are glad that MSRLS has been collaborated with us, and we got this opportunity here to be able to give them a startup business. We expect each CLF to take this serious and to make this business a success, and they can come forward and make this business work together.
Ke bangin lagi osngum le iru daki khmat kumnu bangin sna kumnu bangin yo ka jaka bangin thet bangin snaru tika bang osngum toy kalong ya ka jingkhia hai ki yin ki sam ki chongi ki ba la ban Pyndonkam om tang ba ki ba khoi ha ka met dai ha ka mariang hi bro ko wei nak ta ka daw osngum ba kalong ka jingkur khu ba yang ngi iwei pe iwei ki ba ngidang im dang sa hakanika salah khendo ti ngidon kam hi ya ke jingkhoi jing suba khnang ba ka jingko jingkhia kalong ka spa yangi iwei pe iwei namalada ngimnang ban Pyndonkam ngile ba klahi dalade ka bamot bangi hi ngiwat dalade ki jingpang jing sidong te lo kini ki jing hikai ngasngo bangi yo ya ka dawai ba ka ban long ka jing kerkhu ya iwei pe iwei nong song snong jong kani ka dong ka than ka jongi ka jing la ban Pyndonkam balai bing sela ban Pyndonkam ya kiju kitu kitiar Haduh lai Snem ka daw ka long ba ngila ban loi ban lao la ka jong ban sai ban that sngi ban penrekhiang ban bo tinggi sai da ka sabon ni sai bet da ka sabon ka bangi de ban sai komba sai ikimi kijah nak ta ka daw ka long ka jing toy ke ho kinam jot ho kide ki ba kham pher le se ne kitiar ki bangi Pyndonkam namar ni sai namar ni Pyndonkam mo ki Kynthei Pyndonkam si sen si banai ta ha ki Snem ka long khat arsen te lai Snem ka long Haduh lai pun Reusable ka bangi sai ndre kini kitiar ki dang ne ki jo kata ken ka pen snguyo nong ba ka pen snguyo jing mentoy ba da kini kitiar Haduh lai Snem mi Pyndonkam ki wei pa ki bala Pyndonkam mo sisin Pyndonkam berat baik tek ba kata ka jing berat ru kolong penban balek pathar intep mano belum kumno ba pen khoi te ka babon baik bala su berat pathar baik kum tu sisin Pyndonkam te ka long ru ka jing pulut ksan ka long ru ka jing penjabo mariang kata ka long ka jing shisha leng ba kan ni ka jing hikai jing tep menta ngi snuthu ba kom ka selaf ka bangin pen tep ka bangin kintu kolong bangi don hi ke ching angnut bangin kom ka selaf kin long ka we ni kilat jing kamai yang iki membar barok ki badon hapo kanika cluster jong ka selaf jongi ba ngin penyat yo ya kan dikepak mai ka bangi layo jing tep petang te suaka tanga tharai kom ka selaf bangin la ban penyak yo komot ngin hab don ki program kum bangi yo jing tip mangi hang ngin da ban don ki program kum ki awareness ki nuki jing pen snu tho pan ba ban le sing la ro ban le wat high school ru kum ka sel ban pen sha ye ki thnang ba kan ki jing tip ko jongi kan nam dei ka jing tip tang ka tu kat ni hen re ngi kwa ban a ye ki jing tip shabaro ki ban don kam ya kan ki jing tip bikin la ban Pyndonkam te nang ni ko min wan ra selaf bangin yo ban perkhat ban le ya ka Pyndonkam thnang ba ka selaf ru kan yo jing mentoi leng ba kan ni ka program ta ka bangin lo ngin le lam ko we ka business.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e ka snong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka snong de la khot ka la yat tikila pen sngo hi na snong e ki mat jong ki if they keep apprehensions jong ki don hi kan we bet ya ki ka stand jong ka tourism department mangi nam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka jalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namar ba ka ka ba phi ang not ngiru hang ni Shubham take up yung project. Day ban su thu bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Nget yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki kon sama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.